Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Sinclaire and I'm glad that you're here. So today I will be bringing you guys a full face of JUVIAS Place complexion products. I went on a mini shopping spree over at JUVIAS Place and I decided to pick up some of their new complexion products that I haven't yet got my hands on. One of the reasons I'm so excited about doing a JUVIAS Place video is because JUVIAS Place caters to African American women and they're affordable. So for all my college students out there, girl, you will not be spending an arm and a leg on a foundation, on a concealer, on some brushes. Like, you can get an entire face worth of makeup for under $40, and that is like unheard of, like, anywhere. JUVIAS Place is definitely top on my list for being affordable and catering to women of darker skin complexion. So 2 thumbs up from me. Ay, 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 ay. So if you want to see this video, then just keep watching, but before you go, make sure you give this video a huge like, make sure you comment and subscribe, and if you really want to get saucy, you can follow me on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. All of your support is greatly appreciated and I'm so thankful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Kisses till next time. Bye! I just got done washing my face, so my face is very much dry right now. So I need to moisturize it and I also need to prime it. I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base and I'm going to apply this as a primer and moisturizer. And this stuff smells so good, you guys. I'm also going to take another primer just because I'm extra. I can actually do a pump on the back. I'm just going to put that primarily in the areas where I know like I have super large pores. Now I'm going to do my brows and I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and mine is in the shade 4.5. My package came in a box like this and all of the goodies are inside. So the first thing I'm going to just show you guys is, I guess I can open it. I didn't even open it out of the package. I got this pack of brushes right here. I believe they're a total of 7 brushes and they were $25, and I was like, what, 7 brushes for 25 bucks? That's an amazing deal. And all of these brushes are supposed to be, I believe they're supposed to be like for your face and your complexion. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these throughout the video and letting you guys know if I believe they're worth it. And they all have the names of the brushes and what they're used for. So if you're new to makeup and you don't really know what your brushes are used for, all the names are on the side of them. And I like this royal blue color, it's really pretty. And this is called the 7-piece royal brush set, and I guess it's called royal because it's royal blue. And I don't have any brushes that are this blue color, so that will make them distinct from my other makeup brushes. The next product that I have here is their foundation. This foundation is called the I Am Magic Foundation. I have mine in the shade 240, also known as Lagos. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, so it's pretty thick. I'm gonna try not to use a beauty blender just for the sake of me buying these brushes and wanting to try them out. Yeah, so they look like this. This one is the foundation brush, this one is the top perfecting brush, and this one is the round buffer brush. I'm gonna start off with this product on the back of my hand. I can already tell now it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but hopefully I'll be able to combat that. So I'm just gonna, actually it's not too bad. Yeah, you can see that this foundation is a lot of bit too dark for my face, and it's not like a lot off, it's just like a little bit off. You guys probably can't see it, especially right here where I don't have makeup. I'm significantly lighter here than I am on the top of my head. So now that I have the foundation applied, I'm gonna go in with the top perfecting brush, and I'm just going to pat on my face just to blend this out. And this step here is what I would say you would use your beauty blender per se for. But since we're using brushes, I'll be using this one and just making sure that everything is blended out perfectly. The texture is very creamy when blending it out. It's really easy to blend out, it wasn't hard. Coverage, I definitely give this a full coverage foundation. It is kind of on the side with the Kat Von D foundation. I don't even think anybody uses Kat Von D anymore. So I'm going to be using one of these two, and these are their liquid ones. But I bought this shade here. It's called number 15. It actually doesn't have a name because I expected my foundation to match. So this would brighten up my face just a slight bit more than what I already am. But since this foundation is so dark and this is so light, I'm going to be very careful on how I apply this because I don't want to look gray. So I'm not going to apply as much, and I'm just going to take it right up under my eyes. But as far as application of this concealer, it applies a really nice, actually it's not too liquidy, but it's also not too creamy and thick like the foundation, but I'm assuming that it's going to be full coverage just based off of how the foundation was. I did let it's still like setting a little bit so I can get a little bit thicker, but I'm going to be using the small complexion brush. It kind of looks like this to blend this out, and I'm just going to dab. So as far as like application goes, oh my gosh, this looks really nice as far as like skin. Like my skin looks really good. Color wise, I'm kind of missing it, but it's not because it's a bad shade, it's just because I picked the wrong one. I'm going to be moving on to contour, and I'm not going to actually be using this liquid contour just because you saw how this one applied, so I'm pretty sure this one, the darker one, will apply the exact same way. So I'm actually going to be using the multi-purpose foundation sticks. It also can be used as a contour stick or as a highlighter if you choose. I got mine in the shade Cameroon, and it looks like this. And this actually looks like the exact same shade of the foundation, you guys. I'm just gonna see if I can make a good, yeah, this is, you really can't even see the contour. I'm gonna blend it out, and then because this is a very similar color to the foundation, I am gonna go back in with the liquid concealer in the darker shade just to contour my face up a little bit more. I also picked up a powder from JUVIAS Place. This one is in the shade Kalahari, and it's this yellow color, as you guys can see here. I will be applying my powder with the JUVIAS Place powder brush, and it looks like this. So let's just take a whack at it. This brush is like super dense. Okay, and that powder just took all of my glow away. So this powder is definitely mattifying for sure. I want to pat this actually into my skin because it will add more color into my face, which I need because of the foundation being so dark for me. I'm starting to get a little bit of creasing up under my eyes, and I'm not sure if it's because I used a brush or is it actually the concealer itself creasing. I didn't really want to use a liquid because I know that the other one was liquidy and it was really full coverage, but this hopefully will bring back my face to life. And I really don't like contouring with liquid contour on my nose, but like I said before, trial and error, so you just have to try it, keep trying, see if it works. If it doesn't work, it's alright. It's just makeup, you can always wash it off. I'm gonna go in with the beauty sponge just for a little bit more precision to clean up some of this contour and this darkness on my face. I will be using my Sephora Micro Smooth to dust this all away. I think I am going to be using this fan brush just because even though it is a fan brush, I don't see myself using this for highlight ever. I'm gonna go off camera, do my blush and my eyelashes, and I'll come back for highlighter and lips. Okay guys, so I'm back, and can you guys see my eyes really? Like, I know these eyelashes are like, they're like really big, but I really love them. So now time for one of my favorite parts of makeup, and it's highlighter. So I didn't even know JUVIAS Place had highlighters, but I saw it on their website. It's the Royalty 2 by JUVIAS. It's a loose highlighting powder, and it looks like this. I guess it's just called Royalty 2 by JUVIAS Place. It should be the perfect like golden tone, especially for summer. I'm going to be using my Artist Couture fan brush, highlighter brush, and I'm just going to dip into it just a little bit just to tap off the excess. Such a pretty highlight, and look at this, guys. Watch this. Oh, I'm scared. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's such a pretty, it's a pretty color. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see that? Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I think I just found my new highlighter. This highlighter, I definitely recommend picking it up. And this highlighter was $7. This highlighter was $7. So that's drugstore prices, okay, people? I'm gonna wipe this gloss off because I want to start fresh. I'm just gonna line my lips with a brown lip pencil from NYX. Why was I finna say NYX? I'm so silly. But I'm gonna use my Sueño de Coco by ColourPop, and this one is a liquid lip. And if you know ColourPop's liquid lips, you know you're gonna need something to keep your lips moisturized. But I'm just gonna take like a little of this on my lips, and it makes this beautiful color. So where I can wear like super bright nudes on my dark skin. Just go ahead and pop on some clear gloss. Mine is from Lancome. This one is Rosy Plump, but literally it applies clear. I'm just gonna apply like 2 dots, maybe a little bit more, right in the center. Just mod out. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I love how everything came out of it. These eyes are speaking to me right now. And even though the foundation was a tad bit too dark, I think I made it work pretty good. So yeah, thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.